lives in the quiet air, trading stories without a care. Simple truths in gentle tone, finding meaning as they grow. They speak of dreams they want to chase, ideas forming into place. In every word they start to see a clearer sense of who to be. Side by side they learn and share, finding wisdom everywhere, growing bright through what they say, helping each other find their way. Ooh. Thoughts unfold in honest light, pieces of the world feel right. In open hearts the lessons land, as each one tries to understand. A bond that helps the mind expand, a steady voice, a guiding hand. When someone knows the path you take, the world feels easier to navigate. Side by side they learn and share, finding wisdom everywhere, growing bright through what they say, helping each other find their way. Side by side they learn and share, finding wisdom everywhere, growing bright through what they say, helping each other